Tesla. I like his setup here. It still has to get over 39, 34, so there's not a lot of risk reward. But if it can pull back to 922, 920 area, still a decent trade. So that's worth watching out the gate. Tesla looking good, boy. Let's see if I can get it pull back into that one more time.
Order filled.
We have a pivot. We get through this area, and we are headed back to 1200. No mistake. So I'm not need to pay myself. What a trade already. I think I'm gonna take profits on that. I'm gonna hang on to Tesla. I think it's got the moves to rip to 1,000. Amazon's hitting that 60. I think it's time to take most everything off the 2. I'm gonna hell the shit out of Amazon. I want nothing else for that. Top tick that in. And if I can get a dip here, I'm gonna add.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna add one more time on Tesla. Got a quick add back in. I'm gonna double down right there. Tesla, second tap. This is the one. Come on, 940. Took a little profits there. Here we go. We hit 40, man. Can we get through 40? Took profits. I'm looking for a reload. I got myself in a good spot now, man. I've paid myself. Went ahead and took a little bit more off, and then profit stopped in the rest. Kick-ass day on. Now I have like pretty much zero risk on the table. If I don't get stopped out, I'm going to be carried some nice contracts, swinging them into the week. If I get stopped out, so what? I'll just stop and revisit tomorrow.